Welcome to this brand new video. On this video we're gonna take a look on how to install Xcode, so follow along with me. So I've already started the process, but when you want to install it, it's not gonna show like this. When you go to App Store, it's gonna be different. So when you type Xcode, you press enter, it will show you install. So I've already shortened already done some of the process in order not to waste your guys' time. So let's do the installation. Let me go back. Let's go to the Finder. Yeah, we are clear. So I already started the process, so let me just complete the process. You're going to show, this is how you're going to show when you want to install it. You have to read all this Xcode and app SDK agreement. So you just click agree, and I put my password Amit. Just press enter. Installing component. So in the place of password, your own password may be 123, but mine is just enter. That's why you have to press enter on my keyboard. So don't get freaked out when it comes to putting a password. So let's go to installing. Like I said, I've just tried to reduce some of the process because to download the Xcode, it takes a lot of time. I did not want to waste the time of you guys. So that is it. That is all about the installation. When you install it, yeah, it's showing me version 8.2. so that is how you install. But after the installation, it's gonna ask you to update. So if you go back on Xcode, I enter that, it's now telling me to update. So the update is gonna be another video. So that is how you install Xcode. Thank you guys for watching. Love and share this video. If you have any comment or any question, post it down below. Until then, see you guys.